What if I told you that the biggest problem in your home isn't how much electricity you use? It's how little control you have over it. Every month, the bill arrives. You pay it. And then the cycle repeats. For many people, that's frustrating. But one person's search for a better solution led them to discover something completely unexpected. Here's the story. After another month of rising utility costs, Alex decided enough was enough. He searched everywhere for practical ways to reduce energy expenses. Most options required expensive equipment or professional installation. Others sounded too good to be true. Then he found a digital DIY guide that claimed to teach readers how to build a small experimental energy project using everyday components, complete with diagrams and step-by-step video instructions. Rather than receiving a finished device, buyers receive educational materials for a hands-on project. At first, he was skeptical. But instead of making a quick decision, he spent time reading about how it worked. Think about it. Many homeowners face the same challenges. Electricity costs keep increasing. Unexpected outages interrupt daily life. And many alternative energy systems require a significant investment. That's why more people are becoming interested in learning how energy works instead of simply paying higher bills every year. Knowledge can often be the first step toward making smarter energy decisions. What caught Alex's attention wasn't a promise of instant results. It was the opportunity to learn. The guide includes illustrated instructions, video lessons, material checklists, and explanations designed to help readers build a small DIY project while learning basic energy concepts. Because it's a hands-on educational project, any outcome depends on the builder's skills, the materials used, and safe assembly practices. For people who enjoy DIY projects and experimenting with new ideas, that can be an interesting learning experience. However, it's important to approach any project involving electricity carefully and follow appropriate safety practices. Alex realized something important. Sometimes the goal isn't finding a shortcut. It's understanding how things work so you can make better choices in the future. If you're curious about DIY energy projects and enjoy learning by building, this type of guide may be worth researching further. Take your time, review the information carefully, compare it with reliable sources, and decide whether it fits your goals. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more practical ideas, honest reviews, and DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.